In my last YouTube video, I have introduced how to use the AWS as cloud platform to run a lab. Okay, so you may see my video, YouTube video here, and also I put the this proposed course, a hand-on labs course, in my web page. You can see the outline here, and also I have the introduction slide here. So this proposed lab is the level security and system administration lab, and there is two part here. One is the system and network administration, and the other one is the how to defend your network. The first part is to the system and network administration, because you need to know what's the normal condition, normal traffic, normal behavior of your system. Then you can know what is abnormal, because more attacks or hacking is under abnormal conditions. So you can see my demo video here. Through this video here, I will use the tools MRTG, Graph, ntop here, TIG Stack here, and also Nagios monitoring tools, and also use the Wireshark or the TCP dump to analyze the network traffics. And come to the security defense, we will use a firewall, and this is 2FA for the web. And also I will introduce the security IDS and IPS. That is intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system here. So this is the IDS monitoring, and also I can apply the IPS, that's the prevention system, to block the attack in the real time. For example, the MS scan and also the SQL injections. And also I introduced the T-port here to monitor the trends of the hacking. And now come into the vulnerability scanner. This is some kind of security audit stuff here. So that we use the Nmap for the vulnerability scanner, and also use the NF console to verify the vulnerability here. And we will have some real case study here. For example, the DDoS middleman attack, and you can also see the demo video here, okay, through the link here, and also the DNS pooling here. And also I have introduced how to use the AI for the for instance, investigation and also vulnerability assessment. Okay, so then you can see the demo video here. For example, I used this one example. We use the Clock 4 fast model to analyze a malware traffics here. So I have talked to educators, and he mentioned that I recommend that this hand-on lab course is really useful. But however, the institution do not join the AWS Academy. Okay, so that means the student cannot use the cloud platform. And he wonder if I can migrate my lab material to some local host, the student PC. So I try to figure out how to migrate this lab from the cloud platform to a local PC environment. Then I think I did it. Okay, so I migrated this host lab, not all, but most major part to the PC, to a PC under the VMware Workstation. Now VMware Workstation is free for educational use, so that the student can download VMware Workstation and launch the VMware and do lab here. So that I can see that, so for example, this is my VM here, and then you have the MRTG graph here, and also the HPing ntop to measure the real-time traffic here, and also the Nagios to monitor the service here, and also the this one, the IPS to block the MS scan and also SQL injection attack here, and also you can see the event here. So last 10 minutes, the event here, more of them is HTTP file informations. And also after have the stack here, TIG stack here. Okay, so the most of the paths that are mentioned in my subjection here, this here, is also can be done in the student PC under the VMware Workstation environments. So let me show you another stuff. Okay, for example, this is the Nmap variability. I can store it on my VMware locally on the student PC here. And also I have to do the throughput here, the IP3 measure the bandwidth throughput. And this is the, okay, yes, it's the penetration test here. And this is the HPing. This is, this is the HPing, using the HPing to measure the network latency. And also we have used the AI here. So as mentioned, I can, this one, you can run the program here, and then you can choose which free model you what free model you can choose to analysis your malware package. So that I choose this one, 45 here, and then give me the result here. For example, the attacker ID, the victim ID. Okay, so this is how you can also use the AI tools to analyze your malware traffic, even under your VMware Workstation environment. And this is the try to scan the network, and then it show up in the alert here. Okay, so let me see, because it already here, so that you can see that you can detect it. And also you can use the Wireshark to analyze the package here. For example, this is TradeWire package here. Okay, you can see the ICMP and the ICMP package here, and also the TTL value here, increase here. So that all this package can, I think most 90% of the lab, over 90% of the lab can be done in the student PC locally. Okay, I'm preparing the lab menu for, teach the student to how to install this application, this service, and how to configure it. Okay, so that if I finish the lab menu, I might be post in my GitHub here. So if you have any suggestions of this lab course running on the local PC under the VM workstation, or if you have any other suggestions for this lab course, please leave your comment below. I love to hear your suggestions.